How to reinstall TikTok after you deleted the app. TikTok users recently faced a login error, but the issue has been resolved. Those who still have the app installed can access it without problems in the US. However, TikTok is no longer available on the App Store or Play Store, making it difficult for users who deleted it to reinstall. There are alternative ways to download TikTok, but they require careful steps, so let's now jump to it. Here are the different methods that will help you re-download the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android device. For Apple devices, change your App Store region. First, choose the best VPN app and install it on your iPhone. Then, connect to a server where TikTok is available. Second, open the iPhone Settings app. Third, at the very top of the Settings app page, tap on your name to access your Apple account settings. Fourth, tap on Media and Purchases. Step 5, select View Account. Step 6, here, you need to change your country or region by tapping on Country or Region. Apple may warn you about adding a new payment method for the new country. You can do that later by tapping None. Next, change your App Store region to a country where TikTok is available, like Singapore or Canada. Lastly, enter any billing address to a new country, then you can now download and use TikTok. For Android, you can use the method of changing the region on the Play Store. First, connect to a VPN server where TikTok is available. Open the Google Play Store and click on your profile image. Then, select Settings. Next, head over to General, then Account and Device Preferences, then tap Country and Profiles. Choose the country you want to switch to. Complete the required process. Open the Google Play Store, download TikTok, and enjoy. And that's all for this video. I hope you learned something new today. Thank you.